Understanding Savings Spree, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, savings spree. This phrase is common in financial discussions, but it can be a bit confusing for English language learners. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used. Savings spree combines two words, savings and spree. Savings refers to the money that someone has saved, especially through a bank or official scheme. It's the part of someone's income that is not spent immediately. On the other hand, spree is a short period of doing a particular activity, especially something enjoyable, to an excessive degree. Usually, we hear spree in contexts like a shopping spree, where someone goes on a big, impulsive shopping trip. When we put these words together, savings spree can seem contradictory at first. Unlike a shopping spree, where money is spent freely, a savings spree implies a period where an individual is actively and perhaps enthusiastically saving money. It's like going on a shopping spree, but instead of buying, you're focusing on saving as much money as possible. Let's see how to use this phrase in context. You might hear, after getting her bonus, she went on a savings spree, putting money into various savings accounts. This year, my New Year's resolution is to go on a savings spree and build up my emergency fund. Savings spree is a playful way to talk about saving money seriously. It's a useful phrase in financial contexts, especially when discussing personal finance goals. I hope this video helps you understand and use savings spree confidently in your conversations. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.